4 of them, and I have a half plate for you. This is mine. I keep this. I've had it for a couple years now. You simply need it to draw and divide your paper in half. So if you lay it on the inside, you are going to draw a line down just the inside of each plate. So you're going to have 4 plates that the inside has a line drawn down the middle. Please do that. So the next step, after you have a line drawn down each one, in the bottom corner, I want you, do not put in great big letters, but you are going to put your first name, last name, and period number. You don't need tub number, just put first name, last name, and this is period 5. Okay? No bigger than that. Okay, now please listen. The instructions are, you have 4 plates. We are going to label these plates. Please understand, when I show you this, you do not draw it dark like I did. I did that so you could see it all the way from the back of the room and you'd be good to go. So instead, when I show you this, you are going to very lightly draw a light Y and a small y and a light G and a small g. See the difference? Okay? So would you please do that? We are going to label the first one Y and then G on the other side. Okay, so you have labeled your first plate, Y on one side, G on the other. We are going to take this plate and we are going to flip it over, and on the back we are going to put, very light, very small, Y-G. Okay, so our first plate has Y on one side, G on the other, and then when we flip it over, it's got Y-G. Now we are going to put that on the bottom of the pile, and we are going to label the next one R-O. On the other side is Y-O. We have R-O, Y-O on one side. Then when we flip it over, it is now going to have an O for orange. Okay, so we're going to take this plate and we're going to put it on the bottom and label the third plate. On one side, B-G, lightly small. The other side, B-V. Go ahead and do that. On the other side of our B-G, B-V is going to be B for blue. Okay, last plate. We are now going to take the third plate, move it to the end, and we are now on violet. V on one side, R on the other. On the back side of the B and R is going to be RV.